Hello friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome to our channel Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. In my video today, I'm going to discuss with you a topic which concerns many of us, how to speak well in a group discussion. We have got many requests to make videos on this, so today I am going to talk to you about how can you perform well in a group discussion. So keep watching this video till the end. The first and the foremost thing to do when in a group discussion is to cultivate a don't care attitude. When participating in a GD, it's natural to feel self-conscious among your fellow participants. Concerns about one's self-image may loom large. However, a reality check is in order. Most individuals are engrossed in their own contributions. Channel an unapologetic don't care attitude towards perceptions, allowing yourself the freedom to express confidently. Leverage established models or frameworks such as Phal and SWOT to lend structure to your thoughts. Secondly, structure your thoughts. Leverage established models or frameworks such as Phal and SWOT to lend structure to your thoughts. These frameworks provide a scaffolding that can bolster your articulation, rendering your arguments more cogent and coherent. The third one, condense to 2 lines. Navigating the seas of discussion can be overwhelming, particularly for introverts. An effective technique is to distill your ideas into just 2 lines. This conscious encapsulation acts as a launchpad propelling your expression forward. One bonus tip is, in case you are not aware of the topic, in situations where the topics feel foreign, embrace active listening. Pay heed to fellow participants, capturing their perspectives. Subsequently, rephrase these insights in your own words. This not only demonstrates your engagement but also offers a platform to contribute constructively even when unfamiliar with the subject matter. Now, to conclude, mastering the art of speaking up as an introvert in a group setting takes practice and determination. By cultivating a resilient attitude, structuring your thoughts, and simplifying your contribution, you will gradually find your voice amplified in the midst of diverse discussions. Remember, growth often lies beyond the comfort zone. Best of luck as you embark on this journey of self-expression.